Are you tired of hearing about Midjourney everywhere? Yeah, me too. In this video, I'll show you an AI that can compete with Midjourney, and it's free, even for commercial use. I'll show you how to access the AI and the features of this amazing tool, since Midjourney no longer offers free image generation. Before we start, I want to let you know that in the next video, I will show you how to use this AI to make more than $16,000 per month. So I want you to learn it well and be ready for the next video. Without further ado, let's begin. To get started, go to leonardo.ai and you will see a beautiful and user-friendly design page. On the top right side of the page, look for the Get Early Access button and enter your email address. Click on Count Me In to proceed. You will then be redirected to a page asking you to join their Discord server. But keep in mind that the image generation process doesn't happen on Discord like it does on Midjourney. So, feel free to skip this step and simply go back to the previous page and click on the Launch App button instead. After clicking on Launch App and then selecting Yes, I am whitelisted, you will be directed to a sign-up page where you can create your account and you are all set. After logging into the website, you will be presented with a user-friendly dashboard that simplifies the entire process. Unlike Midjourney, where everything happens on Discord, the dashboard is where you can manage everything. On the right side, you'll find the gallery of AI-generated images created by other users. Meanwhile, on the top left corner, you'll see a display of 150 tokens that you receive every day, which renew every 24 hours. This is a generous amount compared to Midjourney, which no longer offers free generations. While Midjourney allowed you to generate only 25 per account, this AI platform allows you to generate 150 per day, which is a substantial increase. On the left side of the dashboard, you can access your personal feed to view your previously generated images. Then, under the User Tools section, you'll find the AI Image Generation tab, where all the magic happens. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, you'll find a box where you can enter your prompt. On the left side of the page, you'll see options such as the number of images you want to generate from your prompt. Below this, you'll see Prompt Magic version 2, which you can toggle on to increase the AI's precision and accuracy. However, note that enabling this feature will double the token cost. You can further increase the strength of the prompt magic by increasing the number up to 0.8. Additionally, you can toggle on high contrast for moodier images with more shadows. Beneath these options, you'll see the image dimensions setting, where you can choose from a range of preset options or adjust the height and width of the image manually. However, please note that the AI model is trained to generate images in 1024 by 1024 resolution. If you choose a different size, the model will upscale the generated image to your desired dimensions. Additionally, you'll find the aspect ratio presets. But again, keep in mind that the model is primarily trained for 1024 by 1024 resolution. The next option is the guidance scale, which determines how closely the AI will follow your prompt. The lower the number, the more creative the AI will be, generating images that may not precisely match your prompt. However, the higher the number, the more strictly the AI will adhere to the prompt. By default, this value is set to 7, so I would recommend leaving it as is. Next, you'll find the tiling option, which is particularly useful when creating patterns or repeating backgrounds. Lastly, there are two options: image to image and image prompt. The first option, image to image, generates a new image using an uploaded image as a reference. The second option, image prompt, prompts Leonardo to generate an image similar to the one you've uploaded. That covers everything you need to know about Leonardo as an alternative to Midjourney. In our next video, we'll show you how you can make more than $16,000 per month using this AI, as well as some other methods of making money. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.